Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com with a new Windows 10 build to look at. This is 16188 for PC and it's a Redstone 3 build. And once again we've got actually new features in these builds. This is quite a good stage in the build process. We start to get the new features coming in now for testing for Windows Insiders. And with this build it's mainly about Microsoft Edge actually. There's a couple of enhancements around PDF, so let's have a look at those. So if I open a PDF, there we go. I've got a PDF open there, and you can now do annotations on it. So you can use the pen button up here, and I can draw with my pen or finger. There you go, on the PDF, and I can then save those as you would do when you annotate a website and save that. So I can save that there, and so that's quite useful to be able to annotate PDF documents. You can also view table of contents as well now, so it improves the PDF experience quite a bit in Edge. So you can look at that, and here you can see I can go straight to a section like that in a PDF book, and it takes you straight to it. You can also there's also some new document alignment views on here. There's the layout button. I can have it on 2 pages or a single page like that, and you see it's doing page by page scrolling at the moment, and I can change that to do continuous scrolling. There you go, there's continuous scrolling on there. So nice improvements. You can also fill in PDF forms as well. I haven't got one here to test, but you can do that as well. So these are nice little improvements to Edge, which as well as doing PDFs, it can also do EPUB books as well. That was added in the creators update. Now something that's not in the build notes, but I did see in the previous build, I just want to quickly show you, and that is Groove Music has got some of the Project Neon, which is the new sort of look and feel that is coming to Windows. And if I expand, you can see the way that the mouse moves over like that. That's part of Project Neon. That's this new sort of look and feel to Windows. So the exact same app on the Creators Update doesn't have this effect, so it's part of this build that you get to see that. So I think that was quite nice. Okay, right, what else is new? Well, if you're an enterprise user, Windows Defender Action Guard is in Microsoft Edge. That sort of allows a huge amount of protection on browsing websites, but it's an enterprise-only feature. And as I don't really cover enterprise, I suggest you go to the Microsoft blog post here on the inside on the Windows blog, and you can have a look at that. Right, what other stuff is there for consumers? Well, over on settings, there's a couple of changes, and you'll notice that Cortana's settings are now here rather than just being in the Cortana itself, which I think is a good idea. Puts all the settings together. So your microphone settings and your history and notification settings are all in Cortana, all under one place, which I think is good. The other change is, see the Windows Insider program. It's got a little Ninja Cat on there. Whether you like the Ninja Cat or not, but there you go. You can see that. So the other changes with this build, there's some fixes for Chinese English. They fixed an issue where Windows Defender didn't work when you double clicked on it, and now it does. You can dismiss universally dismiss Cortana reminders. So you dismiss a Cortana reminder from this device, it will pop up here. You can get rid of it on all devices, which I think is good. They fixed some issues with Action Center, decreased reliability in Action Center. I haven't seen any problems with Action Center. Not the last build, but the one before that, I did find that every now and again you would click on this and nothing would happen. But that does work this time. Okay, well, there are known issues. Well, there are some issues about adding people. I've noticed through the people bar, and they're supposed to sort of add automatically down here at the bottom. They did on the previous build, they don't on this one, so I'm not quite sure what the issue is at. You can see it says unpin but it's not shown here as pinned, so I don't know if that's a bug. It's not mentioned in the release notes. And there are some other issues about Surface 3 not updating when it's got an SD card in. That's been going on for months now. Lock screen may crash. Outlook 2016 hangs on launch due to an issue where the spam filter gets stuck, and they're investigating that. You may see the PC hang when you shut down, and Start may fail to launch, but it works okay on the second try. So that's the changes for this build. It's nice to see some new features, and especially Edge. I certainly agree, improving Edge on PDF reading on Edge is a good idea. So that's all the changes on this build. This is 16188 for PC on the fast ring. You can go back to our very first, you can look on our YouTube channel right back to the very first previews of Windows 10. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next one.